Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Panasonic TX-700 TV and I'm going to show you how can you easily connect to your Wi-Fi network. At first you have to go to your home by clicking on the home button on your remote control. After that you have to go up, and we have to go right so that we can see settings. We have to click on this, and now we have to click on network and internet. As you can see, no network is connected. To click on this, and now enable that. Now we have to choose the Wi-Fi network that we want to connect. Now we have to type in our password. And now we have to click confirm. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.